Well, hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know, we're going to take a look at a company that we really haven't featured that much on the channel. That's right, we're going to take a look at Buck Knives, and boy, this is a lengthy title, the 346 Vantage Avid Large. Well, Avid Large. And there's the little nomenclature and all that little fun stuff, the 0346 Romeo Whiskey Sierra Dash Bravo. Alright. So here it is, and oops, sorry, I'm shaking the freaking camera. Here it is in all its glory. Now, a little bit ago, I saw a good friend of mine in one of the everyday carry groups that I belong to. He had one of these, but the blade was totally blacked out. And I was like, oh my god, I have to have that. What is it? And thankfully he told me, but I really wasn't able to find one of the all blacked out ones. So I was like, okay, anybody who knows my channel knows how much I like stonewash. So when I found it in stonewash, I went with the wood handle, the stonewash silver. I'm good. I have to bring it to the channel. Alright, let's get into the fun stuff like we usually do. Now, it's got an overall length of about 7.625 inches. The blade's about 3.25. Close, it's about 4.375, and it has a minor weight to it of about 4 ounces. You do know it is there in your pocket. Now, as you can see, it is done in the drop point style with a plain edge. It does have a flat grind, and it has that just legendary Paul Boss heat treat for the 420 high carbon stainless steel. We got a stainless steel frame in there, and as you can see, with a liner lock. These are CNC contoured rosewood diamond wood scales, and that's according to the Buck website. I was like, rosewood, diamond wood, which one? But they said rosewood, diamond wood, and going right with it. There's only one way to carry this thing, and it is right-hand carry, tip up, and it has a really, really deep pocket clip right here. But what gets me is they say, of course, camera dump. But as I was saying, they tell me it's only one way to carry this thing, right-hand carry, tip up. But the way this pocket clip looks is you can flip it around, no problem, and you should be able to do a right-hand, left-hand carry with it. All the usual websites are telling me right-hand only, but I have a problem with that, and that's just me. Now, they do have two options to get her open. The little flipper up here, but it's a manual flipper, and it takes a moment or two, but, or you've got, you know, the little thumb hole, which if I was a little bit better today, that would have been a lot smoother. It does have Buck's patented forever warranty. I mean, unless you're using it really stupidly like a pry bar or trying to baton things through it. Not like I'm thinking of any channels there. Dual Sport Survival. Guys, seriously, go check them out. Dual Sport Survival. Really, really good channel. You want to go watch his videos. And this one is made in the USA. Alright, now, we're going to do 3 cut tests here in a moment. And if you're curious why I'm doing these 3, take a look right up there. There's going to be a card for why I do these cut tests. So give me one moment while I get everything ready. I know, I hear you guys. If you're a proper YouTuber, you would have had it done already. First one, heavy duty stock paper. Oh my god, that sound. Just, yeah. No, I'm not doing my Hodge Twins impersonation. Yeah. We got a good show for you today. Alright, let's see if we can get a curly Q. Even though I just got one a moment ago, but still. Alright. Ow, knocked the camera. There's one I just got, and there's one I got a moment ago. Now, the big reason why I go for these guys, seriously, is anybody can just grab a blade and go sharp. But if you drag that across real slow, you maintain your edge angle, where'd you fall? You should get something along those lines. That paper should curl back in on itself. That's to show you there's no really pits, chips, any micro abrasions on your blade. It's basically trying to tell you your blade is good. Now, I've started doing this recently. Yep, there's a little bit of snowfall on there, like right over here that I can see, but not a lot. Okay. Paracord. Or as Bill Rivers has graciously renamed this testing, the struggle test, which if you guys have been watching my videos lately, yes, this batch is coming to an end, but I hate it still and I gotta use it up. So, pull test. Holy F-bomb. That looks pretty clean too. Not raggedy and... Thank you, Buck. Thank you. Let's do a slice test. Ooh, not bad. And the star of the channel, one of the most popular things I think I've ever done on my channel. So nice to be outclassed by an inanimate object, Mr. Ratchet Strap. There we go. No problem whatsoever with that guy. Check for the usual stuff that we do. I don't see any weirdness with the blade. Really nothing left on there, so score! Alright, now I did the homework and all the fun stuff on this on 8/5/2022, and I'm filming the video on 8/6/2022. I looked on Amazon, Buck, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, it's $59.99. On Buck's website, it's $63.99, and on Amazon, it's $59.99, and it is Prime eligible. Over on Blade HQ, it's been reviewed twice, and it's got a 3 out of 5. Now, this is what I think is cool. It's been reviewed 54 times on Buck's website, and it has a 4 1/2 out of 5 anvils. Not stars, they're giving anvils. I thought that was awesome. Over on Amazon, it's been rated 4.6 out of 5 stars with 262 reviews. Now, with all those fun things being said, we are at my absolute favorite part of this video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this one's a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? I really like it. I really fell in love with it. It's been my carry for a little bit. I know I don't give Buck enough love on this channel, but more like these, that's going to change. Okay. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Look, I know we do things really, really differently here on the channel, and I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Matter of fact, everybody watching this, if you liked what you saw, give me a big old thumbs up. It's only going to help the channel. It's going to let the analytics know that, hey, this guy's not a total idiot. Partial, but not total. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription, because you never know what you may suggest that could change the course of history of the channel. Now, if you do all that fun stuff, which all this is absolutely free, okay? Take a look right down there. In a moment or two, you're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the park, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, after all that fun stuff is done, take a look over here. You're going to see 2 videos popping up somewhere over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel will be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look like we usually do on the Buck Knives 346 Vantage Avid Large. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a safe day, a wonderful day, and I'll see all of you in our very next video.